Hey, gang, and welcome back. Once again, I am Eric Wright, representing the fitness group Buffalo. Here today with the alternative of the day. Going to go a little bit different today. We're going to go for a snack today. Usually it's a food item, but today we're going to do a snack. Something real heavy. Think that you'll enjoy it. For all my dieters out there, my overweight heroes out there, we're going to go with any type of blender. I have the Magic Jack right here. I'm sure you all heard of the Magic Jack. And all you need is milk, banana, some peanut butter. Okay? You're gonna pour in your milk. You don't need much, maybe a quarter of the cup to be filled. This is a healthy alternative to candy bars or milkshake or something like that when you're hungry. Has banana in there and peanut butter, so it's a little bit heavy on the stomach, so shouldn't be one to eat right away after you have something like this. It's quick, especially if you need to go somewhere. Remember, protein is enriched in peanut butter. So you're getting something healthy. Then your milk has the vitamin B. So this is all healthy. I believe it's much cheaper than getting those supplements at GNC. I actually don't take any supplements. I just eat, and get all my vitamins and nutrients and minerals from the food. Much cheaper. I always tell people, unless you can keep it up, paying for whatever you're paying on a month to month basis, why even start? Because you're gonna lose the benefits of the supplements once you stop taking them. So don't even start. Okay. Top one. Sit a couple seconds. Shake it up. And it's ready to go. Quick, takes a couple minutes. You don't even have to leave the house as long as you have the ingredients with you already. Tastes really good. It's thick with the bananas and the peanut butter in there. And there you have it. That's my alternative of the day. And I'll see you next time. Once again, I'm Eric Wright.